Hey everybody, this is Matthew, and I'm just going to do a quick tutorial on using the clause editor. It's a super cool and very useful tool in Zipforms that seems to be pretty underutilized. So here it is. We're going to go into Zipforms, and we're in our transaction pane. So we're looking at all of our little transactions going on here. And I want to add language that isn't standard. It's not part of the contract or it's specific to a situation. So we've created some language here, a library of paragraphs and clauses for you, but you can also create your own. So you're going to go over here to the TXN tools. I'm not sure what that stands for, but I'm sure it's something cool. Click down on the down arrow, go to clause editor. And we get the clause editor. The first thing that pops up is the library of clauses. These are actually from VAR, and some of them are pretty good, but quite frankly, they're specific to VAR forms. It just comes with the Zipforms library. Global clauses are those things we've created as a firm, as a company for you to use. And you can see there's a bunch of them here. And if you have ideas for other ones, let me know. We'll add other stuff in there. And then offices for particular offices, and then your personal clauses are things that you can actually create on your own. So for example, if I wanted to create standard listing agreement language, and I get my hands on home row here, I could create that and stuff I like, and then just add the text here. Okay, and that's going to start creating my personal library of stuff. So for example, we have the sight unseen language. There's not really good sight unseen language in the standard forms library, so we created something very basic. And so now I can find it here, or it's over in global clauses. And if you see something in global clauses that you like, but not 100%, feel free to copy it, go create it in personal clauses and add it there. Once it's created in the clauses, or if you need it, I'm just going to go over here to a room. This is my training room for these demos. I'm going to go to my documents, and then you can open up any document that has a text field. So I'm going to go to the sales contract addendum, click down here in this open area, click on that pencil, and then click on the clause. And when the clause editor opens up, I can go to agent, which is me, or broker, which is the company stuff, and I can go look under miscellaneous, sight unseen, there's the language, enter, boom, it's all done. So that's it. There's your clause editor, super cool tool. Use it more often. There's a lot of language and things that we want to add to our standard agreements, or maybe for specific situations that you don't have to copy and paste from Word or anywhere else. And for a lot of stuff you come up on, we've already done stuff as a company. So if you have any questions, feel free to let us know. Otherwise, have fun and go out and play with it now. It's better to know these things before you need them. And that's it. Thanks.